wonderful. Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video हम फिर से एक transformation video कर रहे हैं kind of. So basically we've transformed the living room. हमने अंदर का bedroom भी transform कर चुके. एक room बचा है जो मेरे पूरे घर में इतना up to date nahi hai. I'm gonna link the other two videos in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. But the walk-in wardrobe or the dressing room, what you could call it, is a little bit of a mess. I have a lot of stuff that I've accumulated. So सबसे पहले मुझे declutter करना है for sure. That is something that I need to do. And then beautify it because अभी क्या हो रहा है कि अंदर का room I don't used to film at all because it's such a mess and it's not that aesthetic. So my aim with this is to kind of amp it up, make it look pretty. And also I'm gonna give myself a budget of 2,000 rupees. That is all I'm going to spend because I don't want to spend too much money unnecessarily. So yeah, having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Aditya super excited about today.
Aditya super excited.
So what are we doing? We have to move the furniture. मैं सोच रही हूँ यहाँ पे bookshelf रखते हैं. Actually, let's just start by moving. I'm not sure what we were supposed to do.
नहीं ठीक है.
पक्का देखा गिरा तो तेरे पे.
हटा, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए शॉट.
Okay, so this is what we've come up so far. ये wall पे मुझे कुछ तो करना है so that I can use this wall to like film something. So basically ये वाला जो tile है is what I don't really like, which is why I had stuck all of these posters everywhere. And they just are falling apart. It's looking really bad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint this wall white and then we're gonna do frames all over. So it just looks really nice, really clean. Also, I just placed an order for some photo frames and some storage baskets. Both of these are one-day delivery, like the same day delivery rather. So आज रात 8 बजे तक आ जाएगा ये दोनों. So now that we've kind of figured out the situation, the placement of everything, now we're gonna declutter. So I definitely need to have a look at all of my shoes, my bags, my clothes, just everything in general. I'm going to remove everything that I haven't used in the last 6 months and I don't see myself using, just to make space, and just maybe someone else who might actually use it can have it in their wardrobe. Also, please ignore this situation. We're gonna fix it today. But I just need to start decluttering at this point. Okay, so far this is everything that I've collected in terms of shoes and bags that I need to either donate or I'm gonna keep it for another thing that you will see very, very soon. Okay, so this is everything that I am keeping aside and this is everything that I am donating. Total 4 गोनी है, 1, 2, 3 और पीछे 1 है. Yeah, I think good progress we've made today. Okay, so we're almost done with the organization, which is why I look really sweaty and almost done. I'm really happy with the way the progress has been. But I wanted to show you guys that our frames are already here. I placed an order for these like 3 or 4 hours ago and they're already here. So on to organization. So we're just organizing our bags and we have these little cubes, storage cubes that we're using. Ye wala hai all the Indian bags. It also comes with this cover. This is actually a separator but we're using it as a cover taki dhool na lage. So the only organization that is left is of the jewelry drawer. It's a mess. Let's organize this and I think we'll be done after that. Okay, welcome to day 2. We only have a few hours to get the project done. आज है beautification day. Final touches add करने and I am really excited. This morning when I walked into the walk-in wardrobe, I just felt so nice because even though of course it's not pretty yet, but at least everything is organized. There's a logical place given to everything and it just makes me so happy. So this is what it looks like. Obviously we haven't painted the wall or anything, but I think so far looks pretty good. Okay, so we have to do a DIY project obviously. So basically for these frames, I don't want to put any kind of artwork. I'm just thinking like plain कोई भी color like ombre में 8 frames में. You'll see what I mean obviously towards the end. I want to do like shades of pink. So एक pink color में मैं white add करते जाऊंगी and paint करते जाऊंगी. Okay, so our frames are ready and they just look so satisfying, like बहुत ही pretty लग रहा है. Cannot wait to hang these on the wall. One of the last steps is to paint the wall. I have some leftover paint from the last DIY project. I always have leftover paint, so should be done in the next 15-20 minutes. Hi guys and welcome to my dressing room. हमने थोड़ा सा mini makeover किया है and I'm so excited to show you guys how it's turned out. So come on in. Okay, तो enter करते ही सामने I've kept this little grid. This is actually meant for like stationery for you to keep your post-its and like to-do lists and stuff like that. But I've used it to keep my sunglasses. पहले I used to just keep it in a box. It would get scratched up and I couldn't really see what I have. So I've downsized, निकाल दिए जो नहीं चाहिए थे, and then the ones that I actually use, I've displayed it right here. Also, you guys can see that there's a curtain and then there's some like greenery happening. So basically यहाँ पे है bathroom का door and the door is not the prettiest. So I just like covered it with a parda and then we added this greenery to hide all the wiring. Things you have to do in a rented house. Anyway, let's come in here. So as you can see, it is a little bit crammed in here. It's only because I have too much stuff and the space that I have is actually pretty big, but I just have too much stuff. But basically we have this drawer, chest of drawers, which is from IKEA and it's so useful. On top of here, we have my everyday stuff, little bit too much to have everyday stuff. But I have all of my lotions, my body mist and then my perfumes. So it's just easier, like once I come out of the shower, I can use everything right here. And it's just nice to have everything that you use on a regular basis out. And then we have again another IKEA piece, which is this mirror. I really love this mirror. I feel like this is going to be like a really cute selfie spot almost. Now this chest of drawers holds everything that I need on a day-to-day basis again, which is the whole point of keeping it here. Accessibility was like a big thing. So यहाँ पे ऊपर के दो drawer में I have my innerwear that I'm not going to show you. Then here we have my PJs and like loungewear. Then here we have all of my linen, so towels, napkins, chote napkins, and then my microfiber cloths. All of that is here. This has all of my travel stuff. Now obviously I don't need this on a day-to-day basis, इसके लिए मैंने थोड़ा नीचे रखा है. But it just has all of my swimwear and my travel pouches and stuff like that. It's very handy when you're traveling to have all of these pouches ready. And then last drawer में is like my period drawer, you could say. So like my pads, my heating pads, toilet paper extra, सामने bathroom है, so just makes sense to have everything right here. Okay, so moving in, as you can see, we have a lot of clothes right here. I do like my clothes to be displayed on racks. So ये सारे racks जितने भी है मैंने Amazon से खरीदे. It's cheaper also. You get to fit a lot of clothes also on one rack and you can see everything सामने. So यहाँ पे जो first rack है, इस पे मेरे सारे ski-on के clothes हैं. All of it is right here. And then यहाँ पे नीचे there's more space. So I got these organizers which I already showed you from Amazon and I just store all of my extra clothes in here. So I have my staple stitch collection, my off-duty collection, and then यहाँ पे I have all of my Indian bags. And then इसमें I have some more bags. These are more like beachy bags that I don't need every day. So I've like tucked them into these little organizers. Moving on to the next rack. So this rack has basically all the clothes that I've never worn. So I've kept them सामने in case there are events and stuff like that. I'm trying not to buy new clothes. I just want to like use. I've never used them only in the first place. So I've kept them right here. Then we have two more organizers right here. इसमें I have all of my like everyday dresses. Like if I just want to run out of the door, I can grab my dresses from here. And then here we have some extra hangers. ये वाला तो एक coat hanger है जिसको मैंने मेरे tote bag hanger बना दिया. I just have too many tote bags and I know guys this is like really cluttered. I've like crammed a lot of stuff here. But this is my dressing room, so I have like everything on display. Then here I have all of my winter wear. So all of my like coats, my jackets. I'm really happy to see कि इतने सारे hangers खाली है because I got rid of so much stuff. Then we have another chest of drawers. Again, this is also from IKEA. Now, let me show you what all of this has. So basically both of these drawers have my tops. So यहाँ पे है मेरे black and white tops that I go for like every single day. And then this is honestly just kind of like a miscellaneous drawer. कोई category में fit नहीं होती ये चीजें तो मैंने उसमें डाल दी. ये है मेरा Indian drawer. ये है specifically chicken curry वाला drawer. You guys know I'm obsessed with chicken curry, so I've like made a special drawer for that. Then we have one more Indian drawer. This is kind of crammed. This is like other my everyday Indian wear. I love wearing Indian on a day-to-day basis. So we have that right here. Then we have all of my pants right here. So skirts, pants, jeans, all of that's right here. And then lastly, we have some coordinate sets. So like two-piece sets, सारे मैंने यहाँ पे रखे हैं. So next to the drawers, we have my laundry basket. Obviously, here laundry basket. Then we have the same exact rack. Now, इस पे I keep all of my tops. Now, to be honest, all of these tops are more like video shooting tops. I don't actually wear them on a day-to-day basis, but they just look good on camera. So, ये पूरा rack is my tops, and then back here I have all of my fancy dresses, like dresses that I wear to events, for like shoots, stuff like that. I love that these racks have like these shelves niche, so I've just kept all of my flats right here, Indian flats, regular flats, my furry slippers. I have a little bit of a shoe and bag addiction. You're about to see that in a second. Then we have this mirror right here. I've had this mirror for a long time, and every time I show this, you guys ask me kahan se liya. So basically this is custom made. I got this made from Bandra, from SV Road. I'm pretty sure there are lots of craftsmen who sit on that lane only, and then they make all of this wood wala work. So I got this made and I love it. And then here we have all of my bags. Well, at least most of my bags. I've tried to kind of color coordinate them thoda bahut. यहाँ पे है blacks, यहाँ पे है whites and browns, greens, purples and blues, and then the red orange family. And then here we have the pretty wall. I hope to film videos in this kind of setup. मुझे एक थोड़ा सा pretty setup बनाना था यहाँ पे, like with my shoes and my bags, and then like a nice setup. As I said, ये मैंने बहुत ही झोल करके बनाया because we've like painted the tiles, then we've put these photo frames, and I just hope that it looks good in videos. To be very honest, it doesn't look that good in real life, but मैंने कैमरा में लगा के देखा, it looks pretty cute. So I really like that we've done like an ombre on here because I feel like there's so much going on everywhere. I don't want too much with my frames. And then we have a pampas, we have a candle, very basic. एक और IKEA का drawer है, so यहाँ पे है all of my jewelry. We've tried our best to organize it. I feel like we can still do a better job. I have called for more organizers from Amazon. I'll link the ones that I already have. They are amazing, but I think I just need more. Then in the second drawer, I have all of my robes and my silkwear, again stuff that I need for like filming. And then this drawer is kind of like a miscellaneous drawer. When I'm like going for events, I have like stuff that I can just like grab and add it to my bag. Like mini perfumes I have sanitizers, mouth spray. काफी random drawer है, to be honest. Like dumping drawer. Like एक drawer तो होना चाहिए जिसमें आप सब कुछ डाल दो. And then finally we are here at the final section. I feel like this is my favorite part of the entire walk-in wardrobe. It's my shoes. Again, this is actually like a bookshelf that I got from IKEA, which I'm using as a shoe shelf, shoe rack, whatever you could call it. थोड़ा सा organize करने का try किया है. So we have all of the neutral heels right here. This is a miscellaneous shelf. Then we have all of the snake skin. Then here we have the pops of colors. Here we have the kitten heels. Here I have my sneakers, and then niche I have my knee-high boots. So that's my little organization. I got rid of so many heels, literally so many. Pehle I used to just like store them in a box. Now these are all the heels that I have. That's it. These are also too much, I know that already. But yeah, I have a little bit of an obsession, as I told you already. And yeah, with that, I'm going to end today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my declutter slash makeover room. To be honest, ये इतना बड़ा makeover नहीं था. We just like moved furniture around and we tried to keep everything under a budget. I did not want to spend too much money. I just wanted to use everything that I already have. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow Simba Lifestyle. Follow Skier. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!